Oh, it's absolutely worth the effort to get here. From Johannesburg, you can take SA Airlink, you travel into Umtata.
The flight from Johannesburg to Umtata, it's a quick flight, it's 56 minutes.
From Durban, it's a 5 to 6 hour travel, really not that far.
It's just so beautiful to drive through the Transkei and see the uniqueness of the country and the beauty. I definitely think it's worth the mission.
From Cape Town, you can fly into East London. From East London, it's an easy travel to Umngazi.
Once you're here, you just know like you're in paradise.
Omdat Umngazi so lekker is dit nie moeite om 1000 kilometer te ry van Potchefstroom af om hier te kom.
Well, when you ride through the gates, it's magic. Absolute magic.
It's just like you walk into paradise and you walk through this huge sign that says Umngazi at the entrance. It's like you're on a little island somewhere.
And when you arrive here, it's almost like a relief. The porters come and they unpack your car for you and you now chill.
Gaan regtig uit hulle pad uit om 'n effort te maak om jou gemaklik te laat voel en net lekker te wees. Umngazi is special in soveel goed. Die personeel is vriendelik en behulpsaam. Die etes is fantasties.
We just try and keep the food as rustic home cooking style as possible. The guests absolutely love the flavor combinations we put together.
So when you are out at our spa, those doors, glass doors, are open. So it means nature and the environment is giving you already the relaxation and the calming.
This is an environment that allows the kid to be a kid again, you know. They can go and play in the mud, they can do some fishing.
It's kids' paradise, kids and adults' paradise, I think. You get the best of both worlds. The parents get to switch off, kids get to switch off. There's so much for kids to do here. And for parents just to chill by the pool or have a drink at the bar or quickly work in the lounge.
Well, during quieter times, you can really experience the aspect of nature at Umngazi. It's more relaxed, it's more quiet. The bird life is magnificent. Nothing is too busy, so you can relax to your fullest. We have very nice weather. Even in winter, there's always a beautiful beach day. We get a lot of guests travelling on their own, wanting to come just to have some downtime. Umngazi caters for the people that want to solo travel, absolutely.
We live such busy lives. We're here, you really just switch off and you can.
The best part about Umngazi is that everyone experiences it differently. Even after years of coming here, each visit holds something refreshing. Kids are adventuring non-stop, parents and grandparents are relaxing, and everyone meets back together at mealtimes with stories to tell. It's one of the few places we've been where every generation genuinely enjoys themselves.